Good morning, student. How are you? I was explaining the exercise in mathematics of class 8 13.2. I had explained up to question number 20 and I'm up to 18. I had explained. Now I'm going to explain from question number 20. Before that, I am going to focus about some formula. Means you know that I had explained AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B in bracket A square plus B square plus AB. Remember that formula already I have given beginning of this chapter. Second formula AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B. Now A square plus B square minus AB. This is second formula. Remember that don't be confused with the formula A plus B whole cube and A minus B whole cube. That is another formula. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. A minus B whole cube, A cube minus B cube minus 3AB in bracket A minus B. But here A cube minus B cube. Now another formula, first, second and third one, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C in other bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is another third formula. Remember that if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, means this term will be 0. And you know that 0 multiplied by any number, the result is 0. Means whole term will be 0. Then this implies that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. This implies A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. In this, after in a exercise 13.2, after question number 18, I will apply only these three formula. So you practice and try to solve the question based on these formulas. Okay. Now see, up to 18 I have explained. Now see, in same exercise, question number 20. 20 is given 729 minus 1 upon x cube. Factorize. Already written the name of the chapter, factorization. How you can factorize? See, see here, change this expression in the form of A cube minus B cube. You can see that 1 upon x cube already in form of B cube. You have to change this one. Factorize this one. See that 7 plus 2 plus 9, that is 18. Means that can be divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6. 4 3. Again by 3. 81, and you know that 81 3 power 4 means 3 power 6 is coming here. Means 3 power 6 means that is the square of the 9. Now see that this is in form of A cube minus B cube. So what is the formula next? X minus B, A minus B, A square plus B square minus AB. You expand this one in this form, that will be 9 minus 1 upon x in other bracket a square means 9 square plus b square means 1 upon x square. See that minus, sorry, all term will be plus. If minus, then all term will be here a minus b, here second all term will be plus a into b, 9 into 1 upon x. Now one more line, 9 minus 1 upon x. Here 81 upon 1 upon x square plus 9 upon x. This is your result of factorization of 729 minus 1 upon x cube. A cube minus b cube, a minus b, in other bracket a square plus b square plus ab. I am going to apply only this formula. Now question number 20. Now see question number 22. I am explaining only even number question. You have to do odd number question. Remember that there will be no any doubt. I am living in already in 12th chapter and 13th chapter. Remember, whatever doubt in revision class, so that I will explain. I will teach mostly the chapter what is in your portion, means syllabus. Question number 22. That is given 22. 125 x to the power 4y minus 343 x y to the power 4, y to the power 4. See both term. Anything is common means both term can be divisible by any constant or variable s. In that, minimum power of the variable x is common and y is also common. Now you have 125 x cube and 343 y cube. Now x y is a common. You can write 5 x whole cube minus 343. That is if you make the factor, this is divisible by 7. This is 7y cube. Now this is again in the form of a cube minus b cube. Cube of first term minus cube of second term. Only you expand it. You will find xy in other bracket, small bracket, a minus b means 5x minus 7y. In other bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. 5x whole square plus 7y whole square, a square plus b square plus ab. ab means first term and second term. 5x into 7y. Now one more line, close the square bracket. Now xy, 5x minus 7y, here will be in small bracket 25 x square plus 49 y square plus 7 5 is 35 xy. This is the solution of your question number 22. Suppose that if you are doing solving the question according to your method or process, if answer is not coming correct, two chances are there. Either you are making mistake on plus minus sign or squaring of the numbers. Otherwise, mostly the answer are given in answer sheet is wrong. Mostly question I have solved and their answer are given wrong. Just you see some question, I am going to explain here. Answer is given in answer sheet is wrong. Don't depend upon answer sheet. You depend on your process and method and sign. Whatever sign and whatever method is correct, you do follow your same method. Maybe answer will be wrong. Now see that 24 question number. Question number 24. That is, I am going to rub this, okay, because I am facing problem to writing the question. Now see here, question number 24, that is given x cube y minus z, x cube y minus z whole cube plus y cube z minus x whole cube plus z cube x minus y whole cube, z cube x minus y whole cube. See that, let y minus z x y minus z is equal to m. Second, this I have considered as a m. Second, y z minus x as a m. This one as a m. Third, z x minus y as a p. This one as a p. Now see that your question is in the form of m cube plus n cube plus z plus p cube. See that m value this one, n value this one, p value this one. In this form, I am going to find m plus n plus p. M value, just you multiplying right here, x y minus x z plus n value y z minus y x plus p value x z minus y z. Now see that x y and x y plus minus cancel, x z minus plus cancel, plus and minus cancel, means it's coming 0. Just I say that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, this implies that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Means since 0, this implies that m cube plus n cube plus p cube is equal to 3 m n p. Now 3 m value is x y minus z, n value into y z minus x, and p value is z x minus y, z x minus y. Now your answer will be 3 x y z, 3 x y z and y minus z, z minus x and x minus y. This is your solution of question number 24. Very important question for 8th class and 9th class also. Same question. Okay. Now question number 26. I hope that you will follow the same method. Okay. This is question number 24 I have completed. Now you see next question, that is question number, just I am going to write, and this is an important question, and you practice example also that you can find. Question number 26. Question number 26, that is given 125 plus 27 x cube minus 64 y cube plus 180 x y z, 180 x y z. See that this is in form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. I am going to change this one in this form, because I can apply the formula is equal to a plus b plus c in other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So I am going to change this question in this form: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. See that this is 5 cube a cube plus 3x cube b cube plus minus 4y cube, because minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, that will minus 62. So I am going to change this one. See, plus 3, I am writing here minus, y minus, see that, plus 3, a value is 5, b value is 3x, and c value is minus 4y. Minus into plus, it means here will be minus. Okay, so no need to change it, here I give minus. Now this is in form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc plus into minus, here will be minus, same formula. Now that is a plus b plus c in one bracket, a plus b plus c value 4y, in other bracket a square means 5 is 5 square, that will be square of 5 square plus 3x whole square plus minus 4y square minus ab 5 into 3x minus bc 3x into minus 4y, ab minus bc minus ca means minus 4y into 5. Now close the bracket and obey. Now that will be 5 plus 3x minus plus into minus minus 4y, in other bracket 25 plus 9x square plus 16y square minus 5 3 15x minus into minus plus 12xy minus into minus plus 20y. This is solution of your question number 26 solution. That is based on a cube plus b cube minus plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Remember the formula, otherwise you can't do any question of factorization. I am going to write this one. Now question number 28, 26. Now question number 28. What is given that question? You can see this. 28 given. 28. Same formula. 28. Question number 28. That is given x cube 343 y cube. X cube plus 343 y cube plus minus 64 z cube plus 84 xyz plus 84 xyz. Same formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Same I am going to apply that one. See that one, x cube plus 343 7y cube plus minus 4z cube plus 3 first term, second term into third term minus 4z. Now multiply, that will come 7 4 8 28, 28 3 ja 84, or 7 21 84 equal. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, a plus b plus c. First calculate x plus 7y plus minus given minus 4z. In other bracket a square plus b square plus c square. Square bracket I am writing x square plus 7y square plus minus 4z square minus ab minus bc minus ca minus ab 7xyz 7xy minus this into the minus into plus minus into minus plus 28yz minus this AC minus into minus plus 4xz over one more line x plus 7y minus 4z is equal to x square minus 49y square plus 16 z square minus 7xy plus 28yz plus 4xz. This is solution of question number 28. Now question number 30, 32, 33. Same pattern question are given. Now see question number 30. Last question 30. See 30 is given. Very good question. And this question also in 9th class book also given. So you focus on this question. Question number 30. 30. That is given 180 into 180 into 180 plus 20 into 20 into 20 upon 180 into 180 minus 180 into 20 plus 20 into 20. Why I have written the question myself? Because I know the formula. Okay. When it will be in practice, you will do like that. See that 182 plus 22 upon 180 square minus 180 into 20 plus 20 square. Now see the formula. This is in form of a cube plus b cube and denominator in the form of a square minus ab plus b square. You mention this one here. In this form, it means you can, this I am going to mention here, a cube plus b cube, a square minus ab plus b square. In this form, your question is that you direct write the formula of this. A cube plus b cube, a plus b in bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Denominator already given in this form. A square minus ab plus b square. Now see that this one whole term are cancelled by this term. What is remaining? A plus b. A value is 180 and b value is 20. What is coming? 200. This is your solution of question number 30. Now see last question 34. Very important question. This question are very important for other classes. You can see last question 34. 34 is given like 34 is given 125 x cube minus 27 y cube upon 25 x square plus 5 into 3 15 xy plus 9y square. Maybe question same. Yeah. Now this is in form of 5 x cube minus 3y cube upon 5 x square minus 5x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Again you see this is in form of a cube minus b cube upon here plus 7. A square plus ab plus b square. Now expand this formula. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now here denominator a square plus ab plus b square. Now this term cancel. Here remaining a minus b. A means a is the value of first term 5x, b is the value of second term 3y. This is your solution. I hope that you will solve some example. Example number 6, 5 are important example, and try to solve chapter test, that is means multiple choice question, totally based on the formula. So you practice and your chapter 13 is over. In my next video I will start the next chapter 14, that is the division of polynomials. Mostly question I am explaining here. So whatever remaining you try to solve, you take the help of example also. Thank you. Have a nice day.